Call him up. Ocean City traffic, Cessna 1160 Victor, holding short runway 14. Actually, gonna take off 1160 Victor.
Ocean City traffic, Pipe Arrow 468 Papa Mike is cleared 14 Ocean City traffic.
Okay, here we go. Ocean City traffic, Cessna 1160 Victor, upwind runway 14, about to make a left crosswind, 1160 Victor. All right, dude. About to turn over
on our way. Ocean City traffic, Skyhawk 19773, taking off runway 14, and we'll be departing to the north, Ocean City.
Ocean City traffic, 1160 Victor, left crosswind, runway 14, Ocean City traffic. All right, dude. Pause it for a second.